Hi, first graders. I'm back for fast math. Today we're going to work on number 2. So check and make sure you're at number 2 and open your packet. It should be the second one down. So let's get started. Remember, you can pause at any time to try and do it on your own. So number 1 says, how many faces are there? Circle the correct answer on your sheet. So I want you to count those. Circle how many you see. Number 2 says, circle the object that weighs less. Is it the pumpkin or the balloon? Which one weighs less? The next part, you're going to put the number that comes first in the number, or not first, here it's first. Here it's the number that comes in the middle. So keep that number pattern going, fill in the missing numbers. Now the bottom part says, Barney had 3 video games. His dad bought him 5 more. How many video games does Barney have in all? If you would like to push pause and try to fill out the whole sheet on your own, go for it. All right, now we are going to correct our work. So the first one said, how many faces were there? Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. The next one said, which one weighs less? So here's a pumpkin and here's a balloon. Just thinking in your head, since you've probably held both of those things, which weighs less? If you're not sure, you can look at the scale. One way we know which weighs less is whichever thing is up higher. The heavier thing always drops down, and the higher thing always goes to the top. So if you're looking at this picture, the balloon is higher, so the balloon weighs less. All right, here we're going to fill in our missing numbers. So we have blank, 16, 17. So the missing number would be 15. Now let's count 15, 16, 17. Good. Next one, blank 5, 6. What comes before 5? You got it. 4. 4, 5, 6. Next one, blank 11, 12. Which number is missing? If you said 10, you're correct. 10, 11, 12. Next one, 8, 10. What did I not say? You got it, 9. Next one, 18, 20. That's missing. 19, 18, 19, 20. And last one, 3 blank 5. Which number is missing? You got it, 4. All right, the next part says, Barney had 3 video games. His dad bought him 5 more. Ooh, there's our clue. The word more. How many video games does Barney have in all? So first think, what's our thought? Are we going to add or subtract? So Barney had 3 video games. His dad bought him 5 more. More was our clue, so we are going to, you got it, add. Next one, information. What are the numbers we know? So we read Barney had 3 video games. His dad bought him 5 more. So our numbers we know are 3 and 5. So the next part is, what's our addition sentence? So we're going to do 3 plus 5 equals blank, because we want to know how many he had in all. Whenever it's in all, we need to add those 2 together. So let's try it. If I have 5 and then I add 3 more, let's count 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it? So we would write Barney had 8 video games. Barney had HAD 8, and I'm just going to write games. And then what do we need at the end of a sentence? You got it, a period. All right, great job.